But effective onboarding programs do share some features. They teach new hires about both the technical and the social aspects of the job and the work environment. They help new hires who are moving with the relocation process. The best programs encourage active learning. They encourage new hires to interact with other new hires and current employees and ask questions. They give managers some onboarding responsibilities, including discussions, documentation, and monitoring. Effective onboarding programs also document and assess employees' progress. When they are struggling, companies can more quickly intervene and hopefully retain them. Hopefully, you've learned a few things that can help you design better onboarding programs for your organizations.